Use barcoding. Barcoding has been in regular use since the early 1970s. While at first, barcoding had primarily industrial applications, now you can find barcodes everywhere that goods need to be accounted for quickly and without human error. Barcoding provides an easy way to identify and/or track a product all the way from the factory where it was made to the checkout counter where it is purchased. Here are a few things you should know about how to use barcoding. If your barcode is going on an item that will be scanned at a register in either Canada or the United States, you will need a UPC barcode. UPC is an abbreviation for Universal Product Code. To use UPC barcodes, you must apply for and receive permission from the Uniform Code Council, and pay an annual fee. What you get in return is a manufacturer identification number, which is a 6-digit code. Those 6 digits will be the first 6 digits on the UPC code on your product. The next 5 digits are the item number. Every product in every permutation requires a different barcode. In other words, the 4-pack of toilet paper has one barcode. The 6-pack of toilet paper has a different barcode, and so on. There are a few different categories for barcodes, and you will need to find out if there is an established standard within the industry you are in. Odds are that your industry already has established standards that apply to how the symbol is printed and how a scanner reads the symbol. The standard for a particular application requires the use of a particular symbology, or pattern of bars and stripes. So find out from someone familiar with industry standards what the existing symbology is for your industry. If you've done your math, you're probably wondering what that last number is in a barcode. That number is known as a check digit. This digit is a way for the barcode scanner to know if it scanned the number correctly. That digit is arrived at through a formula using the numbers within the barcode. The scanner performs this calculation every time it reads a barcode, and if the scanner's calculations do not match the check number, the scanner knows that an error was made. The check digit is a part of the barcode number that will be assigned to you by the Uniform Code Council. Some barcodes use a system known as zero-suppressed barcode numbers. The way a zero-suppressed barcode number works is that if there is a set of 4 numbers, all zeros, the set is eliminated, thus resulting in a much smaller barcode. This is a handy way to fit a barcode onto smaller packages. Okay. That's probably enough to get you started. Check the links for more detailed information. And, good luck selling your stuff. Finally, If you're starting to feel overwhelmed by how much there is to learn about how to use barcoding, take a break for a moment at Barcode Art. Useful links: Uniform Code Council Barcode FAQ.